Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna recap Wednesday's trades. I took 4 trades. Normally I don't take these much trades, but I had 4 break-even trades. So yeah, if I get a break-even, I still allow myself to take another trade. 4 times break-even, so let's get into it. So for my bias, I was a little bit mixed. There were a lot of options here, so I had 2 like scenarios that could have played out. I was a little bit mixed, so I wanted to see some kind of manipulation. Either a manipulation into the 4-hour unfilled FEG, then lower prices towards this low, Asia low, and the liquidity low, and the unfilled 4-hour fair value gap, or a manipulation to the downside, taking maybe this low out, making a nice SMT right here, and then upward prices going up, or even taking out and tapping the unfilled 4-hour gap. So that was my bias plan, just looking at SMTs, order flow, and things like that. But in hindsight, um, nah, just looking at ES as well, we had this nice SMT from New York PM session of Tuesday and today's London session. So, and on ES, we already tapped the 4-hour unfilled gap, as you can see right here. So we did not have to tap that on NQ, but ideally I would love to see that get tapped for extra confirmation. But I was allowing myself shorts before us tapping that 4-hour unfilled gap. So let's get into it. The first trade I took was a 3-minute short after a nice sweep of the London low. This was my first trade. Stop loss a close above or disrespecting the inverse candle high. My take profit was the unfilled 4-hour gap, making it around 3R. As you can see, nice SMT here. Also, a really nice SMT with the London high. As you can see, we swept it on NQ and we did not sweep it on ES. Especially with this kind of reaction. Super obvious, super nice play in my opinion. Super nice momentum as well. Super nice momentum. Clear break-even point, which was this low. Got tapped in the first 3 minutes. After that, break-even, which was all good. I still think it was a really nice trade to take, and I'm glad I took it. So after that, I was still looking for shorts. We got a resweep of that high. We got a resweep of that high. Another SMT created right here. Oh, yeah, I'll draw out the trade first. My second trade was this one. Oh, like that. Second trade was this one again towards the no, not towards the unfilled 4-hour, but this time towards the liquidity low, which was just a which is just a like a really nice 1-hour low in my opinion, aligning with this 1-hour rejection block. So yeah, I was like, okay, that's a good point to look for as a TP. Yeah, so that's what that were those were my TPs. My trade itself was a nice sweep of the high again, again into some gaps on the left, really nice. Again a resweep of the London low, London high, my bad, with, as you can see, really nice double SMT with this high, and then a new SMT created with this high. So especially with this SMT and this momentum, like this is not the best trade in the game, but it had really nice momentum and a clear break-even point, which was a 3-minute FEG aligning with this low. So yeah, in my opinion, really nice trade. Stop close above or disrespecting the reverse flip high. Yeah, that was a break even again. Took my break even in the first minute, then got broke even. Really nice trade. After us getting break even and such a nice step of this 3-minute FEG, as you can see here. Wait, as you can see here. Also a BPR, everything was there. I was willing to switch my bias towards longs to target the unfilled 4-hour FEG. So that's why I took, especially with like a really nice sweep right here. I took this 1-minute long with a stop below this downwards candle. TPing not here. I was gonna trail as high as possible, but like when we took the 4-hour unfilled, I was gonna trail really heavy. So let's say we um we close this candle, then we close this candle, I put my stop below this candle, we close this candle, stop below this candle, we close this candle, stop below this candle, we close this candle, stop below that candle, we close this candle, stop. Yeah, you get the concept. So we've been stopped out around here, 1.5R, but like I said, I got broke even again because this was my break even point. Really nice trade as well. After that, like I said, I treat break-even trades till now, so I still allowed myself to take more trades, but I had to be really careful because I do not want to be over trading. I was really cautious here, and I was only going to take A plus setups. Then my last trade of the day was this 3 minute short. I do not take 5 minutes. There was a 5 minute which was aligning with the 3 minute, which is a nice confluence for me. But I based my trade off of the 3 minute inversion. Obviously, you have to take the highest time frame inversion, but oh, the 5 minute has to inverse, and after that I can look for a 3 minute entry, which I did. Stop loss disrespecting OTE. Break even point first internal low. TPs again, liquidity low, 3.3R. Nice break even trade. We got an SMT right here. That is why we did not get the TP there. But I was not willing to close on a negative RR, like maybe a 1 to 1. I was not willing to take that. My partials were at this low, liquidity low, as my final target, but after this low got hit I would have been trailing because we after that low we are in a like the discount range of the 1 hour FEG, so I want to be really careful, but we did not get there, so no worries. Break even here, break even again. Yeah, nothing we can do about that. After that I was still looking for something, if we had something good, because PA was really nice today, just poorly delivery. uh Poor delivery, my bad. But yeah, I was still looking for something. So after that, I was still looking for longs. Why? We still had this 4 hour devil's mark um, from yesterday's news high, which was a really nice draw in hindsight, and I still had it marked out, because I was confident in it. Nice 3 minute, nice 3 minute tap right here, as you can see. Inversing this 3 minutes, tapping the 3 minute right here. Was it here? Let me double check. Yep, yeah, it was there. A nice step, nice sweep. SMT at this low, I'm pretty sure. I wanted to take this inverse, but like I said, we were ending the session like 6 minutes before New York AM, if I'm right. Yeah. So I was gonna be really cautious, but this was a really nice play, but I just didn't get it. I was not willing to take it right here and take this one as well. I only wanted to take it if there was like a close right here, stop below the inverse candle, something like that, and targeting the 4 hour devil's mark, which nah, that's unreal. But stop would have been a bit lower, maybe something like that. 8R, but we didn't get the close, so no worries. But this was also something I was really looking at. Then later in the lunch hour, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, lunch hour from 11 till 12, we had a really nice setup. I didn't take it. I'm off. I only trade New York AM, but this 3 minute continuation um, towards the 4 hour Devil's Mark was really nice, but I was just off. Like I'm not gonna 9 to 5 the charts. I just want to take my trades in New York AM right here and then go off and enjoy the rest of my day. So yeah, those are my 4 trades, 4 break evens, making me $0 today. So yeah, that was it, guys, and thanks for watching.